Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. I hope you're having yourselves an amazing week. I hope you've been out in your shop building something really awesome. And please don't forget, like, subscribe, follow right here so you can keep up with all the latest content as I put it out. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you know when it comes out, right? Man, I'm busy. I'm back out in the shop doing stuff. It's feeling really good. It's been a long time coming for all you've been following me for all these years. I took a long hiatus. I'm not getting into any of that. It's irrelevant. I'm back. That's what's relevant. Now, I've got a bunch of projects in the pipeline, a bunch of stuff on the table. Stuff's happening. I got a whole bunch of lumber, cherry. I got a bunch of maple. Got some cool stuff going on, guys. Gotta stay up with it. Now, I did restart my Facebook page, my X page, all that. So make sure you guys get over there so you can follow me there too, okay? Brand new Facebook page, like I said. So hit the link. It's in the description below so you can follow me. Because I'm posting on there like every single day, guys, okay? I've been writing a lot of articles lately. Just blog type stuff, thoughts that I have, if you will. But sharing whatever's on my mind in the moment. So yeah, hit the website. There's a bunch of stuff there. I'm working today is my day to sit behind my computer. And today I'm going to sit and do a bunch of social media stuff. I want to get my merchandise store back up and running again because that was down too. Man, everything across the board was taken down, and everybody following me is aware of that. Now it's me rebuilding all that and going back up. So bear with me, guys. It's all happening. There will be a video every single Friday, whether that's just a video like this, me saying, hey, this is what's going on, and a little more insight. Because if I'm working on a project, I'm not going to just sit here and blow in. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. This is where I'm at. This is what I'm in the middle of, you know, and then the video will be out. Because some projects are quick and simple, and some might take me a little bit of time to build, right? So bear with me. I'm trying, guys. And yeah, let's keep this short. And I'm going to get busy and get some stuff out for you guys. So in the meantime, make sure you hit that bell notification. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Also, bottom of the page, hit my Facebook page, follow me there, follow me on X, and other stuff is to come. Watch the website. I'll see you guys here next Friday. Get out in your shop, build something awesome. Guys, have yourself an amazing week. We'll see you later.